Mehboob Pasha, and today in this class we will continue with the chapter that is motion and time. Students, in this class we will discuss about the conversion of speed. Okay, that is, suppose if the speed has given in kilometer per hour, then how to convert that in meter per second. Students, now let us see the first one, that is 320. Okay, suppose if the speed is what, 320 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this column is what, speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, so speed is kilometer per hour in this column, and in this column speed is what, meter per second. Okay, so in this column speed is what, it is written in meter per second. So let us do the first one, that is 320 kilometer per hour. Students, so what here they have given, speed is what, 320 kilometer per hour. Okay, students, so how to convert this 320 kilometer per hour in meter per second? Okay, so look at here, what they have given, 320 kilometer, and here students, so 1 kilometer. Okay, so I think you know this, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, so 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, and 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. You should know this. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so you should know all these things to convert the speed. Now here, what we need to do? We need to convert this 320. Okay, so here 320 kilometer is there, no? This is divided symbol. Okay, so this is divided symbol. 320 kilometer is there. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. It means that first we need to convert this 320 kilometer into meters. Okay, so first what we need to do? We need to convert this 320 kilometers into meter. How to do that? That is 320 into 1000. Okay, so when we write 320 into 1000 means, then what we are doing, we are converting this distance in meters, converting this distance in meters. Now per hour. Okay, look at here, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So here hour is there, no? Hour means 1 hour. Okay, so 60 minutes is there. So now this, we have converted this into meters. Okay, now here, look at here, we need to convert this in seconds. Time in seconds we have to convert. So we have written 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So because of this we have written 60. Now we need to convert time in seconds. So if 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes means, then 60 minutes is equals to how many seconds? That is 60 into 60. Okay, so why I have written 60 into 60? Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. No. So here 60 minutes are there. Okay, so here 60 minutes are there. So because of this I have written 60 into 60. Now look at here. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Here 0, 0 gets cancelled. Okay, then 320 into 10. 320 into 10 will be 3200. 320 into 10 will be 3200. And here 6 and 6 are remaining. So 6 6 are 36. Okay, so now what we have got? 3200 by 36. So now we'll divide with the 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 ones are 2, 1 remaining, it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. You cancel 2 0 here and write 2 0 here. Okay. Now 2 9s are 18 and 2 8s are 16. You cancel 2 0 here and write 2 0 here. So now what we have got? We have got 800 by 9. Okay, so we have got 800 by 9. Now look at here, 9 by 800. Okay, students, now 9 8s are 72. Okay, 9 8s are 72. So 8 remaining, and here 0 is 0, so bring down. Again 9 8s are 72. How much remaining? Again 8 remaining. Take point 0. 9 8s are 72. Again 8 remaining. Take 0. 9 8s are 72. Again 8 remaining. It is continuous, students. It is continuous. So no need of writing continuously. You just take up to 2 decimal point. Okay. So what we have got here? We have got 88.88. Students, here 88.88. So what is meant by this? So when the speed is 320 km per hour and when we converted it into meter per second, then what we are getting? We are getting the speed as 88.88 meter per second. Okay, so it is 88.88 meter per second. Students, now we will see the second one, that is 18 km per hour. Okay, so then what is the speed here? 18 km per hour is there. And what we need to convert? We need to convert it meter per second. Okay, so 18 into 1000. We are converting this into meter. Next we have to write in seconds. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equals to how much seconds? That is into 60. Okay. Now 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 gets cancelled. Now, so here what is remaining? 18 into 10. Look at here. 18 into 10 and 6 into 6 is remaining. Now look at here, students. 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. Okay. And here. So now what we are remaining? We are remaining 3 into 10 divided by 6. And here 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Again what we are remaining? 1 tens are 10. And here 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. Okay. Then what we have to write? 5. Okay. So when the speed is 18 km per hour and when we convert it into meter per second, then what we are getting? We are getting the speed as 5 meter per second. Okay. Students, now look at the third one, that is when the speed is given in kilometer per hour, that is when the speed is 0.27 km per hour and when we convert it into meter per second, then what we are getting? Okay. So here 0.27. Now what we need to do? We need to convert this into meters, that is multiplying by 1000. Okay. Next. Here 60 into 60. Why? Because we have to convert time in seconds. So here why? Because why we have multiplied 1000 means we are converting kilometer into meter. And why we are multiplying 60 into 60 means we are converting hour into seconds. That is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. No? So we are multiplying 60 into 60. Okay. This, students, just don't cancel here. Okay. In an easy way I am telling you. So when you multiply 0.27 with 1000, then you are getting 270.0, which is nothing but 270. Okay. Students, here 270. Okay. Multiply 1000 with 0.27. We are getting 270. And here 60 into 60. Now 0 0 gets cancelled. and here 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Okay, and now what we are getting, 9 by 60 into 2. Okay, and here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0 cancel here, 0. Then finally what we are getting, 3 by 20 into 2 will be what, 40. Okay, so we are getting 3 by 40. Now we'll divide this. Now students, can 3 will go in 40? No. So take 0 point here and write 0 here. Now can 30 will go in 40? No. So write 0 here and 0 here. Now, okay, so here we have to find the nearest number to this. Okay, so 4 7s are 28 now. So here 40 is there. So 40 into 7 will be what? 280. So 40 into 70 will be 280. Then 300 minus 280 will be what? 20. And here we can take 0. Why? Because we have taken decimal. Now 40 into 5. 4 5s are 20, no? So here 40 is there. So 40 into 5 will be what? 200. Then what we are getting? We are getting 0.075. That is 0.075. Students, what is meant by this? That is when the speed is 0.27 kilometer per hour, and when we convert it into meter per second, then what we are getting? We are getting 0.075 meter per second. Please now we look at the fourth one, that is 54. So here what they have given, the speed is 54 kilometer per hour. Okay, so here the speed is what? 54 kilometer per hour. And what we need to do? We need to convert this into meter per second. That is 54. Next, this is in kilometer. We need to convert in meter. That is 1000. Okay, so we need to multiply by 1000. Next time 60 into 60. Now 0 gets cancelled, and again 0 gets cancelled. I am writing it here. So what we are getting? We are getting 54 into 10 divided by 6 into 6. Okay. Next, 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54. Next, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So here 3 into 10. So here 1 into 2 is what? 2 is there. Okay, now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Next, 3 into 5 will be what? 15. Okay, so what is meant by this, students? So when the speed is 54 kilometer per hour, and when we convert it into meter per second, then what we are getting? We are getting the speed as 15 meter per second. Students, now we'll solve the last one, that is 28.8. So when the speed is 28.8 kilometer, and when we convert it into meter per second, then what we are getting? So look at here. Now students, 0 cancel 0. Okay, so 0 gets cancelled. What is remaining? 28.8 into 10. Okay, so 28.8 into 10 divided by 6 into 6. That is 28.8 into 10 divided by 6 into 6. This is remaining. Students, so when you multiply 28.8 with 10, you are getting 288, and this one is what? 6 6 are 36. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Next 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Again, so we'll divide in 2 only. 2 nines are 18, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. So what we have got? We have got 72 by 9. Okay, so we have got 72 by 9. So now 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. Okay, so here when we convert this into meter per second, we are what we are getting? We are getting the speed as 8 meter per second. Okay, so when the speed is 28.8 km per hour, and when we convert it into meter per second, then what we are getting? We are getting the answer as 8 meter per second.